Let's talk storage solutions. So we're kicking it off and we are talking prep and store. So for those that love meal planning, or you're trying to make your life easier because at the end of the day you come home and you want to just be able to toss supper into the pot or on the stove or in the oven, let's talk about how we can prep some of our ingredients and keep them ready ahead of time and what tools are going to be most helpful for that. So the first thing is the prep and store system. So these guys are a 5-cup capacity. Oh, look at that, that goes in a different one. They have a divider in the middle, but you can take them out. So let's say you need a cup of diced onion and a cup of diced carrots for supper time. Keep them in the fridge ready to go in their each own compartments. You can pop it out, you can use it as a full 5-cup set. If you are doing something like berries and you want to wash them and you don't want to keep them sitting in their liquids, you can have the little mesh in the bottom. If you're not using it, you can clip it in the top. You've also got your ventilation system on the top depending on what you are storing. They all clip together and they do fit really nicely on this tray. The tray does have ice packs in it. You can use them with or without. You can keep them frozen for when you do need them, but this is really easy to prep all of your veggies that you might need for the day or the week, or even for a couple meals throughout the week. And then when it's time to cook them, they are ready to go. This slides in and out of the fridge. It keeps you organized. You feel great. Now, if you are somebody like me who likes to do your ingredients, chopped up and ready to go in bowls all down the counter, this is called mise en place. This is having everything in its place. And the 1-cup prep bowls are great for this. They do have their lids, and over time, those lids do kind of crack in the middle. You can order replacements. This is the 1-cup size. They come in a 1, 2, and 3-cup size. So it's great, again, to have everything ready to go, but they also work great for overnight oats, for individual yogurts to pack in lunch, or even just to-go containers. They're tempered glass as well, so they're going to fit in, they're going to be okay in the oven, dishwasher, microwave, even in your pressure cooker. Now, if you are prepping bigger things, the stainless steel bowls are going to be your go-to. Because they are airtight and they come with lids, you can press that lid right in there. You can hear that seal. So if you are doing things like marinating meat overnight, or for the day, you prep it in the morning, you're gonna cook it when you come home, there is no leaking. So that viral meme of the same bowl that is your popcorn bowl is also your puke bucket. At least if it's a stainless steel one, it's not holding on to any of the germs. This is a giant, this is the 24-cup, big bowl. They do have the thumb holes. People thought these were for like hanging for a while. No. Hold on to that. So when you are scraping out whatever it is you've got in those bowls, it's not falling off. You've got your nylon base, so it's not gonna stick. They come as a set of 3. My medium is already in use today, so you can see the 2. And I'm gonna give you one more bonus prep and store item. This is the brand new guacamole store and serve, I think is what it's called. So it is designed similar to our measure-all, so that measuring cup that does the plunge out the bottom. So you can prep your guacamole, stick it all in here. Now, the reason why guacamole goes bad is because it oxidizes, or rather, it just looks like it goes bad. It goes brown, right? You've got your pusher on the bottom. You can push your guacamole right up to the top. You're gonna clamp your lid on. Now there is a hole. So as you're pushing, it's gonna push it all the way up. It's gonna essentially make this the skin on the top of the guacamole, so it's gonna be airtight. You're gonna lock that in there. So you can make a huge batch of guac, and you can use it throughout the week while keeping it bright green the whole time. I haven't had a chance because guac doesn't stay around here. It gets eaten really fast. But I've seen some other consultants saying that it's like at least a week that it is staying green in there. So you are not worrying about that gnarly looking guac. So for our prep and store and being ready to go items, these are your go-tos.